Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a digital art in GIMP. So first we need to go to file and new. Height should be like this much and width should be this much. No, a bit more. Yes, this much. Okay, now we need brush tool and you can select which color you want. So select this black one, click there, and wait, what happened? Yes, and you can do like this. Like this, and opacity 44, like this only we can keep to blend it. Okay, like this you can do it, and then like this. Guys, this is my new laptop, so it's a bit hard. It's being a bit hard to do this. No problem, I'll do it. And now like this. At last we'll blend it with smudge tool. Okay guys. Like this, do it, and at last blend it with smudge tool. Like this. I'm doing yellow to red. So like this. Okay guys, wait a minute, not like that. Now smudge tool. Now smudge this. Okay guys, now it's done. Now new layer, and I'll name it cloud because in this we'll make a cloud. Please rename it and like this. Then we'll select the brush, this one, this. You can just do like this. Okay, and you can just do like this. Opacity should be this much. Wait a minute, I'm using smudge tool, I don't know why. This much. Opacity should be more low. And not this brush. I'll use this brush. So it is coming like clouds. and now again new layer and land, and then path tool, this, this, like this, then enter. Now take this bucket fill and do this black, okay, foreground color, and then like this. Okay guys, now we need trees, so wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. To go. No. Wait. First new layer. Tree. And now file. Open as layer. Open. And now here. Wait a minute. Scale. And this much big. And then like this. And again, no, unnamed PNG. Where is it? Duplicate layer. And now again we need to do this, and now flip. Okay, now we need to do like this, and now we'll make a sun. Now SU and new layer sun. And guys, please don't forget to rename every layer, because it be easy to rename because of rename. Now sun, brush tool, this yellow, and then it should be here. Okay. Now that time I selected this tool after. Okay. Now we need now white color. Okay. Now for that we need again new layer. Okay guys. And now and now like bit more. Yes, now like this. Only one time click it. No, two times, three times, because after we need to blur it. And blur, let's blur. See guys, it is like this now. Okay, now okay, and like this, and now we need to do, no, it's all now. And this is for today. Please like and subscribe my channel for more updates, and please comment down what should I do next time. So thanks for watching.